Hello. Today's topic that we're going to learn about in the inquiry process is called curiosity. So let's go exploring. Curiosity is the key. I am Mrs. Roberts, your trusty librarian, and we are going to look at the importance of curiosity in the research process and also in life. Our goal today is to inquire by building new knowledge to think critically, identify problems, and develop strategies to solve problems. In other words, we're going to be curious. Did you know that learners display curiosity by formulating questions about a personal interest or a curricular topic and recalling prior and background knowledge as context for new meaning? Here are several ways for you to be curious. Ask lots of questions like how or why. Read a variety of texts from books and articles to magazines. Immerse yourself in topics you enjoy. Read about them. Listen to podcasts or TED Talks about those topics. And carry a notebook so you can write down interesting facts you learn or conversations you have that you want to research later. Curiosity isn't just for school. It helps you throughout your life by being engaged in the world around you, being better at your job, being a better friend, and being more connected to your community. The list goes on and on. On the Padlet, you will see several resources to show you why and how to be curious. Scroll through and look at the material to gain a better idea of the importance of curiosity, not just at school, but also in life. After scrolling through and looking at the information in the Padlet, please answer the question, how can you cultivate more curiosity in your life, both inside and outside of school? Have fun being curious.